S is partly constant and partly varies with t. When x equals 530, t equals 1600. When x equals 730, t equals 3600. Find the formula connecting x and t. Find x when t equals 1300. So in the question, we're told that s is partly constant and partly varies with t. So this is how you write it. S is what? Partly constant and partly varies as t. So both m and n are constant. So in the question, we're told when x equals 530, t equals 1600. When x equals 730, t equals 3600. So we have to substitute these values into this particular equation. So we're going to start with the first one. Whenever you see x, you're going to put 530 there. 530 equals m plus n. Whenever you see t, that will be 1600. So put it in bracket 1600 like this. So we say 530 equals m plus this times this will give you 1600 n. So we can call this equation 1. Now we'll come to the second values, okay? So whenever you see x, you're going to put 730 there. 730 equals m plus n. Whenever you see t, you put 3600. So put it in bracket 3600. Okay? So 730 equals m. This times this will give you plus 3600 n. So we'll call this equation what? 2. So at this point, we're going to say equation 2 minus equation 1. So 730 minus 530 will give you 200 equals m minus m is 0. 3600 minus 1600 will give you what? 2000 n. 2000 n. Alright. So at this point, we divide both sides by what? 2000. Divide here by 2000. So this and this will cancel out. 200 goes here 1, 200 goes here 10. So it becomes what? 1 over 10 equals n. So we can say, so therefore, n equals 1 over 10. So we're going to say substitute n equals 1 over 10 in equation 1. So that will be what? 530. So come here. 530 equals m plus 1600 into what? 1 over 10. It's going to be what? 530 equals m. This 0 can cancel out one of these. Alright, so it becomes plus 160. So we'll collect like terms. 530, when this crosses the equal sign, becomes minus 160 equals what? M. So therefore, M equals 370. So we are asked to find the formula connecting x and t. So to do that, we have to substitute the values of m and n into this what? Equation. So it's going to be s equals, wherever you see m, put 370 there, plus n is 1 over 10. 1 over 10 multiplied by what? T. So you can put the t in bracket. Okay, so you can say, so therefore, s equals 370 plus 1 times t will give you t over 10. This is plus, please. And this is what the answer to question A. That's the relationship right there. Part B of the question says, find x when t is 1300. So you come down here, that will be s equals 370 plus, whenever you see t, you write 1300. 1300 divided by what? 10. Okay, so this 0 and this 0 will cancel out. So it becomes, let me come up this way. Try to manage the space, please. 370 plus what you have left will be 130. So therefore, s equals what? 500. This is the answer to question B. Thank you very much.